Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video, and today I want to go over the Combo Knife Sharpener by WorkSharp.
When it comes to sharpening my blades, I've always used a crock sticks turn box sharpener. While this certainly does get the job done and produces a pretty good edge, it does take a considerable amount of time in order to procure that edge. Now, if you have multiple dull knives, such as myself, after just a single fishing trip and cutting bait and things of that nature, or even hunting, you're going to want something that is a bit quicker, a little bit easier to use, and something that may not take as much skill. When it comes to manual sharpeners, it's all about how you are able to control the angle. Personally, I'm not all that great about getting a consistent angle every single time, so I wanted something that made sharpening my knives quite a bit easier for myself and something that, even if needed, my friends could use after a fishing trip while helping me. And that's when I found the Combo Knife Sharpener by WorkSharp. It came in at a reasonable price, and I was hoping that it would produce an edge that was easy and able to use in just a few minutes, especially when doing numerous knives. A blade's durability and sharpness is directly dependent upon the angle of the blade. For instance, a larger angle of 35 to 25 degrees generally is not a very sharp blade, but it is very durable, whereas a smaller angle between 20 and 15 degrees is very sharp, but not quite as durable. To put this in perspective, kitchen knives such as those used to slice tomatoes have a blade angle of 17 to 15 degrees. Fillet knives generally have an angle of 20 to 25 degrees, and a utility or everyday carry knife has a blade angle of 30 to 25 degrees. As mentioned, the combo knife sharpener only offers a 25-degree angle profile, which is excellent for utility knives such as those used for hunting, fishing, everyday carry, and many other things. If you are interested in this product, you can check it out using the Amazon link below. To sharpen your blade, turn on the sharpener and place the back of the blade towards the amber angle adjustment. Pass the blade through the sharpener at 1 inch a second. A 5-inch blade should take about 5 seconds. Then move your blade to the other side and repeat the process. Pass the blade through a total of 10 times, or 5 on each side. Honing the blade manually will take some practice. Place the back of the blade against the amber stop and push the blade forward with minimal pressure. Flip the blade around and repeat the process. Do this 10 times, or a total of 5 on each side. In my experience with duller blades, I found that some additional passes over the ceramic rods made a significant difference in the blade's sharpness. If the blade was very dull and still not sharp after this process, I simply start from the beginning and did it again until the blade passed the fingernail test. The word that comes to mind to describe this sharpener is adequate. It's not the most expensive tool out there, but it is at a price point that many people can afford, and for many people, it does the job that is wanted. Now, if you're expecting to get a razor sharp edge with this sharpener, it is not the one for you. This is specifically to give a blade a usable edge for most situations. This is accredited to only having a 25-degree angle design, which is excellent for utility and everyday carry knives. However, to call it an outdoorsman sharpener, I think there's a little bit left to be desired. For example, when it comes to fillet knives, a 25-degree angle will work and the fillet knife will be sharp enough to do the job. However, I would prefer a 20-degree angle on my fillet knives personally, and it would be nice to see an additional housing come with this unit, as well as a way for the ceramic rod to be flipped to a 20-degree angle, and that would certainly add a lot of value for the outdoorsman. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.